Hi, it's Myriam with lesson 13, how to do TUANE'E with opu or without opu. TUANE'E is basically a Tahitian step that is like a camel walk in belly dance and with a belly roll, right? If you do opu with opu or without opu. So it's basically like I said, it's like camel walk, but we're not like doing a camel walk like moving to the side like you would usually do for a belly dance. It's more done in place, but it's a full body roll. So if you don't know how to do a chest roll or how to do a hip roll or how to do a belly roll, please go ahead and find my lessons on that first. All right, so here we're gonna bring the foot to the front, lean forward, lift up your chest. Now you have your weight to the front. Now begin leaning to the back and you're shifting your weight to the back and you're gonna flex that leg softly and here comes a belly roll.